Hi guys, I'm Phương. I'm from Sunshine Community and this is my homework. Now I'm going to talk about story Baba's food and World Cup. Okay, let's start. Baba's food. Sarah Smith, who lives in San Francisco, went shopping for cat food. Sarah is 30 and lives at 3037 Market Street. She had lived there since 1990. Sarah is married. Sarah is married. She is married to a man named John. She has been married for 7 years. They have 2 children and one very big cat. Their son Bob is 5 years old and their daughter Nancy is 3. Their cat, Baba, is 2 years old. Baba is huge. He weighs, he weighs 258 pounds. At 9 a.m., Sarah got into her car and rode to the pet store. They bought 68 bags of cat food for $10 each. Blue tag. The regular price was $15, so she got a good deal. The total was $680. She paid by credit card. On the way home, Sarah stopped at a convenience store to buy milk. Baba loves milk. The milk was $3 for 1 gallon. And Sarah bought 30 gallons. She paid $100 and got 10 $10 back in change. Sarah got home at 11 a.m. Baba was waiting at the door. He was very hungry. Okay, next. Regular means normal, so the normal price. Get a good deal. Got a good deal. Got a good deal means okay. Conversation. Hi Mai. Hi Phương. You look very young. Thank you. Did you get anything else? Yes. Can you guess? Hat. Yes. Where did you get it? I got it from the weekend market. How much did it cost? It cost about $10. Normal price was $15. Oh, you got a good deal. Okay, so got a good deal means to pay to get a good price. It means you pay less than normal. Normal price was $15. She pays only $10. Okay. On her way home, Miss White while coming home and during her trip home. Huge, Miss huge, Miss very, very, very big. Okay. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.